Hey guys, how are you? My name is Malcolm, and today I tell you everything that you need to know about the SightCare. I've seen a lot of videos about the SightCare, but they don't tell you exactly what the SightCare supplement is and how it works. So if you want to know everything about the SightCare supplement, stay with me until the end of this video, because I have some critical alerts to tell you, okay? The first thing that you need to know about the SightCare is you must be very careful with the website you are going to buy the SightCare from, because it's only sold on the official website. And to help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. Vision is a vital component of existence. Unfortunately, as people grow older, their vision deteriorates, diminishing their quality of life. Consequently, the majority of people actively seek out effective and potent eye treatments. Instead of determining the actual cause of vision loss, many eye doctors recommend eyeglasses or suggest surgery. They are not only extremely expensive, beyond the budget of most people, but a lot of them have many side effects. SightCare proves effective in this regard. So what is SightCare, and how it works? SightCare is a revolutionary dietary supplement formulated to help you enjoy 20/20 vision by supporting your eye health and fully repairing your vision regardless of how worse the condition is. The powerful formula in SightCare works perfectly even when you are in your 30 seconds, 40 seconds, or even 60 seconds. You have the chance to enjoy crystal clear vision. Do not allow blurred vision from slowing you down when working or from living your best life. Every capsule of SightCare contains all the essential vitamins and minerals that can fully support your eye health and functions. SightCare is a powerful eye health supplement that uses natural components to strengthen one's eyesight and improve night vision. The clinically proven components will work together to boost antioxidant capacity and long-term eyesight while also improving brain health to a larger level. This supplement is an all-natural blend filled with various nutritional components to keep your eyes and vision in the finest shape possible. It will also aid to strengthen your eye nutrients and enhance your night vision. Each container contains 60 capsules that have been scientifically tested to confirm their purity and efficacy. SightCare capsules offer a combination of vitamins, herbs, plant extracts, and minerals to help with eyesight. Many of the components contain antioxidants, which help to remove free radicals and promote healthy inflammation. If you have vision difficulties caused by inflammation, SightCare may help your eye health by treating the inflammation. Bilberry extract, astaxanthin, zeaxanthin, and lutein are all important constituents in SightCare. Because of their established effects on the eye, the retina, and the macula, among other elements impacting vision, all four of these substances are present in many eye health products. You can help your eye health as you age by maintaining these components. Features and benefits of SightCare. SightCare is currently one of the best vision-supporting dietary supplements in the market because of its cutting-edge benefits and features. These advantages SightCare holds further allow it to stand out among its competitors. To fully understand the capabilities and advantages of SightCare, check out this full list. SightCare can fully restore your vision and allow you to enjoy crystal clear 20/20 eyesight. It gets rid of the toxic pollutants, oxidative stress, and free radicals that are damaging the eyes. It also creates a shield to further protect your eyes against damages in the future. The powerful formula of SightCare can improve cognitive functions. It also improves visual acuity and night vision. It increases the anti-inflammatory response of the body. SightCare can prevent macular degeneration. This means you can enjoy clear eyesight regardless of your age. Also, your aging no longer affects the quality of your vision. It supports the regeneration of your cells. This increases the healing ability of your body. It supports the full coverage of your optimal regions, specifically in your retina, cornea, and iris. The supplement can increase your energy levels and even support a healthy immune system and digestive system. The recommended dose of SightCare is taking 2 capsules every day. Even drink at least a glass of water while taking SightCare for faster digestion and better nutrient distribution. The dietary supplement is formulated for the use of adult men and women. Individuals ages 18 years old and above are expected to experience the benefits that SightCare promises once they have taken it regularly. For optimal results, it is best to take SightCare regularly for at least 3 to 6 months. If you are pregnant, lactating, or diagnosed with medical conditions, it is important to consult your professional health worker first before taking the dietary supplement to prevent unwanted effects. Keep the bottle of SightCare away from the reach of children. SightCare also offers a 60-day money-back guarantee inclusive of your purchase, which allows you to enjoy a risk-free experience, especially when it's your first time using the supplement. You can read more about their refund policy on their official website. The SightCare dietary supplement is a powerful way to reverse eyesight problems. It uses a unique formula that can even prevent you from suffering macular degeneration, and it slows down signs of aging. SightCare can help improve your eyesight, and it also prevents you from suffering cataracts, eye infections, eye diseases, and other disadvantageous situations. The SightCare supplement provides the best support for your eye health and functions. Another good thing about SightCare is the budget-friendly price and the amazing discounts when you purchase the supplement in bulk. Do not miss out on possibly the best benefit you can get for your eyes. Experience living life to the fullest with a 20/20 vision. This is all possible with the help of SightCare.